Hello and welcome. This video is about how to improve your memory and remember more. Memory is a vital skill. It helps us learn, work, and enjoy life. But sometimes we may forget things. In this video, we will share 14 natural ways to boost your memory. These methods are based on science and proven strategies. The first way is to focus your attention. Attention is a key part of memory. You need to pay attention to remember things. Try to study in a quiet place. Avoid distractions like TV, music, and phones. Set aside some time to be alone and focus. The second way is to avoid cramming. Cramming is studying a lot in one session. It does not work well for memory. It is better to study over many sessions. This gives you time to process information. Research shows that students who study regularly remember more than those who cram. The third way is to structure and organize. Information is stored in memory in clusters. You can use this to your advantage. Try to group similar things together. Or make an outline of your notes and readings. This helps you remember related concepts. The fourth way is to use mnemonic devices. Mnemonics are tricks to remember information. For example, you can link a term to something familiar. Some common types of mnemonics are acronyms, rhymes, songs, images, and stories. The fifth way is to repeat information. Repeating information helps you remember it. It strengthens the connection in your memory. You can repeat information out loud, write it down, or use flashcards. The sixth way is to elaborate on information. Elaboration means adding meaning or context to information. For example, you can connect it to something you know, explain it in your own words, or give examples. Elaboration helps you create more links in your memory. The seventh way is to visualize information. Visualization means making mental images of information. For example, if you want to remember a list of items, you can imagine them in a place or scene. Visualization helps you remember information in both words and pictures. The eighth way is to use all your senses. The more senses you use, the more you remember. For example, if you want to remember a new word, you can say it, write it, look at it, listen to it, and associate it with an image or a smell. Using all your senses creates more cues in your memory. The ninth way is to teach someone else. Teaching someone else what you learned is a great way to test your memory. When you teach someone else, you have to organize, explain, and answer questions. This helps you reinforce the information and find any gaps or errors. The 10th way is to review information at intervals. Reviewing information at intervals means spacing out your study sessions. This helps prevent forgetting and improves long-term memory. A good strategy is to review information right after learning it, then after a few hours, then after a day, then after a week, and so on. The 11th way is to sleep well. Sleep plays an important role in memory. During sleep, your brain processes and transfers information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Getting enough sleep also helps you stay alert and focused, which improves your attention and encoding of new information. The 12th way is to eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can help nourish your brain and protect it from damage and decline. Some foods that are good for your memory include berries, nuts, seeds, fish, green leafy vegetables, dark chocolate, and coffee. These foods contain antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, flavonoids, caffeine, and other nutrients that can boost brain function and prevent inflammation. The 13th way is to exercise regularly. Exercise can benefit your memory in several ways. It can increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain, which improves its health and performance. It can also stimulate the growth of new brain cells and connections, which enhances your cognitive abilities. It can also reduce stress and depression, which can impair your memory and mood. The 14th and final way is to stay mentally active. Just as physical activity keeps your body in shape, activities that engage your mind help keep your brain in shape. By challenging yourself with new and varied tasks, you can stimulate your brain and prevent it from becoming bored or stagnant. Some examples of mentally stimulating activities are reading, learning a new skill, playing games, solving puzzles, and doing crossword. We hope this video has given you some useful tips on how to improve your memory and remember more. By applying these methods consistently, you can enhance your ability to learn, work, and enjoy life. Thank you for watching.